Welcome students to a new class. Today we will discuss the questions of at the high school from Pariksha Darpan book of 10th from your class. First we will discuss question number 1. M.K. Gandhi is popularly called as Iron Man of India, Father of Nation, Chachaji, Netaji. Yes, the right answer will be Father of Nation. Then question number 2. Gandhi received his early education. Gandhi received his early education at Gandhinagar English School, Gujarat English School, Rajkot English School, Ahmedabad English School. Yes, the right answer will be Rajkot English School. Then we will discuss question number 3. Gandhi matriculated in the year 1885, 1886, 1887, 1888. The right answer will be 1887. The right answer will be 1887. Gandhi's autobiography is option A, My Experiment with Truth, option B, Hind Swaraj, option C, Discovery of India, option D, India of My Dream. So the right answer will be My Experiment with Truth. Then we will discuss question number 5. Gandhi was not regarded as the who has dash at the school. The right answer will be an intelligent student, a fool, a clever student, an obedient student. Yes, the right answer will be a fool. Question number 6. He always enjoyed the dash of his teachers. Option A, blessings. Option B, love. Option C, affection. Option D, friendship. The right answer will be affection. Then we will discuss question number 7. What used to be sent to the parents every year? Option A, gifts. Option B, prizes. Option C, certificates of progress. Option C, certificates of progress and character. The right answer will be option D, certificates of progress and character. Then we will discuss question number 8. He won prizes after he passed out of the dash standard. Option A, third. Option B, fifth. Option C, sixth. Option D, second. The right answer will be second standard. Then we will discuss question number 9. In which standard did he obtain scholarships? Fifth, sixth, fourth. D hela fifth and sixth. The right answer will be fifth and sixth. Then we will discuss question number 10. He obtained a scholarship of rupees dash when he was fifth standard. When he was in fifth standard, he obtained scholarship of rupees 4. So the right answer will be 4. Then we will discuss question number 12. How did he react? Then we will discuss question number 11. Gandhi thanked dash more than his merit. Option A, teachers. Option B, his father. Option C, God. Option D, his good luck. Yes, the right answer will be his good luck. Then we will discuss question number 12. How did he react whenever he won prizes and scholarship? Option A, overjoyed. Option B, proud. Option C, humble. Option D, astonished. Yes, the right answer will be astonished. Option D. Then we will discuss question number 13. He did not have high regard for his dash. Teachers. Option A, teachers. Option B, father. Option C, friends. Option D, ability. Yes, the right answer will be ability. Then we will discuss question number 14. He very jealously guarded his dash. Money, books, health, character. Yes, the right answer will be character, option D. Then we will discuss question number 15. The least little dash would draw tears from his eyes. Option A, achievement. Option B, failure. Option C, insult. Option D, blemish. Yes, the right answer will be blemish. The right answer will be blemish. Then we will discuss question number 16. In which standard did he receive corporal punishment? In which standard? First, second, first, fifth, sixth, first or second? Yes, the right answer will be first or second. The right answer will be first or second. Then we will discuss question number 16. In which standard did he receive corporal punishment? It is the right answer will be first or second. Then we will discuss question number 17. Who was Gandhi's headmaster? Option A, Krishna Shankar Pandey. Option B, Dorabji Adulji Jimmy. Option C, Srimad Rajchandra. Option D, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Yes, the right answer will be Dorabji Adulji Jimmy. The right answer will be Dorabji Adulji Jimmy. Mr. Jimmy made dash and dash compulsory for the boys of upper standard. Mr. Games and sports, Sanskrit and Persian, gymnastic and cricket, Option D, yoga and meditation. So the right answer will be what? Gymnastics and cricket. Then we will discuss question number 19. Question number 19. What were the reasons for his aloofness from games and sports? Option A, humility. Option B, weakness. Option C, shyness. Option D, lack of interest. Yes, the right answer will be shyness. Then question number 20. He had the false notion that dash had nothing to do with education. Option A, cricket. Option B, games. Option C, sports. Option D, gymnastics. So the right answer will be gymnastic. Then we will discuss question number 21. What was Gandhi's later views on gymnastics? Option A, gymnastics should be included in curriculum. Gymnastics is very important for students. Physical training should have as much place in the curriculum as mental training. Option D, gymnastics should be made compulsory for boys of upper standard. The right answer is option C, physical training should have as much place in the curriculum as mental training. Then we will discuss question number 22. What was the special reason for his dislike for games and sports? His service to his father, his shyness. Option A, his service to his father. Option B, his shyness. Option C, lack of interest in games and sports. Option D, his excess interest in the other subjects. Special reason, his service to his father is the right answer. Then we will discuss question number 23. Compulsory exercise came directly in the way of this service. What does the underlined expression mean? Service towards his country, service towards his father, service towards his teacher, service towards his family. The right answer will be service towards his father. Option B, service towards his father. Then we will discuss question number 24. On which day was Gandhi late for gymnastic class? Monday. Option A, Monday. Option B, Tuesday. Option C, Sunday. Option D, Saturday. So the right answer will be option D, Saturday. Then we will discuss question number 25. I had no watch and the dash deceived me. Dash. Option A, time. Option B, sky. Option C, light. Option D, clouds. Yes, the right answer will be option D, clouds. Then we will discuss question number 26. Who marked Gandhi absent while examining the roll? his physical education teacher, his headmaster, his Sanskrit teacher, his Persian teacher. Yes, the right answer will be option B, his headmaster. Then we will discuss question number 27. How much money was Gandhi fined for not attending gymnastic class? Option A 1 anaj, option B 2 anaj, option 3 1 or 2 anaj, option D 4 anaj. Yes, the right answer will be 1 or 2 anaj. Then we will discuss question number 28. Gandhi was convicted of dash. Option A cheating, option B lying, option C swindling, option D misbehaving. The right answer will be option B lying. Then we will discuss question number 29. That deeply pained me. What does the underlined expression mean? Option A false accusation as a liar, option B corporal punishment, option C fine of 1 or 2 anaj, option D the kindness of a Sanskrit teacher. The right answer will be false accusation as a liar. Then we will discuss question number 30. Gandhi cried in deep dash. Option A insult, option B pain, option C anguish, option D embarrassment. The right answer will be option C anguish. Then we will discuss question number 31. Gandhi finally succeeded in getting the fine dash. Option A paid, option B granted, option C remitted, option D cancelled. The right answer will be option C remitted. Then we will discuss question number 32. I am still paying the penalty of another neglect. What does the underlined expression mean? Option A neglect of gymnastics, option B neglect of exercise, option B neglect of handwriting, option D neglect of health. The right answer will be neglect of handwriting. Question number 33. What was his false notion about handwriting? Option A good handwriting was a necessary part of education. Option B bad handwriting should be regarded as a sign of imperfect education. Option C children should learn handwriting only after they have learned to draw objects. Option D good handwriting was not a necessary part of education. So the right answer will be good handwriting was not a necessary part of education. Option D. Then we will discuss question number 34. He retained his false notion about handwriting till he went to option A South Africa, option B England, option C America, option D Gujarat. The right answer will be England. Then we will discuss question number 35. Where did he see the beautiful handwriting of lawyers and young men? Option A England, option B South Africa, option C America, option D New Delhi. The right answer will be South Africa. Then we will discuss the question number 36. Question number 36. I was ashamed of myself and repented of my neglect. What does the underlined expression mean? So the options are neglect of gymnastics, neglect of cricket, neglect of handwriting, option D neglect of health. So the right answer will be neglect of handwriting. So then we will discuss question number 37. Bad handwriting should be regarded as a sign of a perfect education. Option A perfect education, Option B, imperfect education. Option C, incomplete education. Option A, bad education. Imperfect education. The right answer will be imperfect education. Then we will discuss 38 number question. He tried to improve mine. I tried to improve mine, but it was too late. The word mine is in the sentence refer to handwriting, gymnastic, cricket, Sanskrit. The right answer will be option A, handwriting. Then we will discuss question number 39. Children should first be taught the art of a dash before learning to write. Option A, reading. Option B, speaking. Option C, listening. Option D, drawing. The right answer will be drawing. Then we will discuss question number 40. Let the child learn his letters by dash of different objects. Option A, drawing. Option B, observation. Option B, painting. Option C, observation. Option D, enjoying. Let the child learn his letters by observation of different objects of nature. Then we will discuss question number 41. Which subject proved a harder task for Gandhi? Option A, mathematics. Option B, geography. Option C, Sanskrit. Option D, Persian. So the right answer will be option C, Sanskrit. Then we will discuss question number 43. In Sanskrit, everything had to learn by dash. एठी ऑप्शन मु कहीदेली ऑप्शन ए इन, ऑप्शन बी टू, ऑप्शन सी बाय, ऑप्शन डी आठ. So the right answer will be option C, by. Then we will discuss question number 45. Question number 45. When Gandhi entered the 6th standard, he became dash disheartened. Option C, disheartened. 46. A person who imposes a harsh workload on someone is called a strict, B, lenient. Option C, disciplinarian. Option D, hard taskmaster. So the right answer will be option D, hard taskmaster.